Hey everyone, welcome back to Markemist. In the last video, we learned how to add Facebook login to our WordPress website. Today, I'll show you how to easily add a Google login system to our WordPress website. Social logins like Google can greatly enhance user experience and make it easier for people to access our site without creating new accounts. Let's dive into the step-by-step process to integrate Google login with your WordPress site. First of all, we have to go to our WordPress dashboard. We will need a plugin to enable the Google login system. There are many plugins you can use, but for this tutorial, I'll be using the Nextend social login plugin, which is free and highly rated. Click on Plugins and then Add New. Search for Nextend social login and click Install Now, then Activate. As we have previously installed the plugin to configure Facebook login, our plugin is already activated. Once the plugin is activated, you'll see the new Nextend social login option in your WordPress settings. Under the Google option, click on Getting Started button. Here you can check the complete documentation on how to configure Google login on your website. You can follow the documentation for configuring Google login to your site. If you want visual tutorial, then follow this video. Now, we need to create API credentials in Google Developer Console to allow our site to connect with Google's login system. Head over to console.developers.google.com. Sign in with your Google account. Click on Create Project and give it a name. You can name it something like Google Login for your website name, I am giving Markemist social login. Once the project is created, go to the OAuth Consent Screen tab. Choose External and click Create. Fill in the required information like app name, user support email, your app logo, your website's privacy policy link, and add your website's domain under the Authorized Domain section. Add a developer contact mail. You can use your own mail too. After completing this, click Save. Now, click on Add or Remove Scope button. Select Email and Profile option. Then, scroll down and click on Update. Save everything. Next, go to the Credentials tab. Click Create Credentials and choose OAuth Client ID. Select Web Application and give it a name. Under Authorized Redirect URLs, go back to your WordPress admin, navigate to Nextend Social Login Settings, and copy the redirect URL provided by the plugin. Paste this into the Google Developer Console and click Create. You'll now see your client ID and client secret. Copy both of these and head back to your WordPress dashboard. Click on I'm done setting up my Google app button. Now, paste the client ID and client secret you copied earlier into their respective fields. Click Save Changes. That's it. You've now successfully connected your website with Google Login. Now, let's check is it working properly or not. Yes, it's working properly on our website. Click on Enable. You can now customize the Google Login button from the Buttons section. Here you can adjust the size, position, and style of the login button. Once you're happy with the settings, click Save. This will display the Google Login button on your login and registration pages, allowing users to log in with their Google accounts. And that's how you add a Google login system to your WordPress website. This integration helps streamline the login process for your users and makes their experience much more seamless. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to Markemist for more WordPress tips and digital marketing tutorials. If you have any questions or run into issues, leave a comment below, and I'll be happy to help. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.